Hello everyone, today we will learn how to delete rows from a table. First, let's set up the widgets. We will continue this lesson with the widgets we made in the previous lesson. Go into the repeater. Duplicate a box. Enter delete. Adjust its style. Duplicate a header box and enter action. Duplicate a pop-up dynamic panel. Delete unnecessary elements. Drag in a paragraph of text. And change the text to "Are you sure you want to delete this row?" Change the pop-up window name to Delete. Then we will add the interaction. Select the Delete button, add Click Interaction, and show the Delete pop-up window. Mark this row. Mark all rows. Drag it to the above position. Select the Cancel button. Unmark all rows. Select the Confirm button. Delete marked rows. Preview the prototype. Click the Delete button to show the Delete pop-up window. Click the Confirm button to delete the corresponding row. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.